Vanakkam. I'm Premanjali Rao from Center for Research on New International Economic Order, which is called Crenieo for short. We work with the in Phuliket for the fisher folk, and with the support of GNF and BMZ and the Living Lakes, we were able to do wonderful work all these years. And the transfer of knowledge that we gained, through the sharing experience that we have gained, all these we put together and were able to restore the mangroves, which were nearly extinct in this area. Now we are able to change and transform the biodiversity of these mangrove areas, we are very grateful. And as a community, the Phuliket fisher folk are very grateful to BMZ, GNF, and Living Lakes. And these fishermen are able to take more benefits from the fishing. And there is also a lot of birds that are coming, and the birds are also feeding in these areas. So we are able to give back for the people and for the nature through this project. And we thank you so much, and we would like to continue this good work which we started in good faith. We are very fortunate to be in the group of many other countries, and through these countries we are able to learn and also put those learning experiences in our project. So the other partners, all the other partners like Thailand, Sri Lanka, and Cambodia are also part of our development, and we learn and we improve through this project and sharing experiences. And we would like to continue, and we want your support to continue how much ever is possible. Thank you.